Today's technologies offer amazing opportunities, but they also carry threats. You don't need to know everything about these dangers. You just need security that protects you round the clock. Designed to adapt to your lifestyle, Kaspersky Security Cloud is a breakthrough for personalized protection. It sends you security alerts based on the things you do, roots out weak passwords and generates strong replacements, checks your accounts for data leaks and advises you if it detects problems, and even monitors your home Wi-Fi network to help you block piggy-backers and intruders. Plus, it helps your devices run fast and perform well. So there's loads more room for the things you love to do. Kaspersky Security Cloud, the first adaptive security service tailored to your lifestyle.